back to my channel. I am Serene. What's going on? What are you saying? And today's video is going to be my first ever hair tutorial, natural hair tutorial. And guys, I'm excited and scared as hell. I am scared as hell because I know my hair is I don't even know what my hair is. I don't know if it's thin. I don't know if it's thick. I don't know if it's long. I don't know if it's short. I don't know if it's for A, for B, for C. And I just feel like the natural hair community is kind of scary, you know? So guys, this is what I came up with. This ponytail, this high ponytail, and I got it from AliExpress. I'm gonna put the link in the description box because I actually don't know what it is. I think it's Kinky straight. Let's go with Kinky straight. I think it's Kinky straight. So this is the look I came up with. This was really quick. The longest part was to have my hair dry down a bit with my scarf, and that took about 15 minutes. I know I should probably keep it down for longer, but I actually need to leave. I should have been someplace a while ago, and it is now I think 6 p.m. after 6, and I should be gone. I hope you guys enjoy it. It should be a short video. I'm gonna try and keep it less than 15 minutes. It should be able to be less than 15 minutes. So thank you guys for watching. See you in the next clip. Bye. So let's get it quickly into this video. I did my makeup off camera. So I started to take my plaits out. So my hair was in doo-doo braids, as it has been over quarantine. And I just re-moisturized it because I know I was gonna try and put it up into a bun or into one, and there was no way for me. I'm not like one of those naturals where I could take my hair out and put a comb through it. That's not gonna fly. So let's just get these plaits out. As you can see, it's still wet. I re-moisturized it with water, leave-in conditioner for natural hair, and the daily oil moisturizer, the Cantu brand. Everything literally that I use in my hair at this juncture is Cantu, except for shampoo and conditioners. So this is my hair. It has changed a lot. This is what it looks like. I rarely comb it, in terms of once I wash it and I put it in some braids. That's kind of how it's staying because I wear my wigs, and since quarantine we don't got nowhere to go. It's just in big plaits. So I'm just gonna comb through this to make sure that it's as detangled as possible. See, this is a problem I be having with my hair, and this is why I don't do nothing to it, because I just want it to be able to just do what it's supposed to do, grow, and let me be. Now, I am doing a high ponytail. Okay. I'm taking a regular scrunchy type thing that I usually get from Primark. Then I'm gonna be using Cantu gel in my hair, and this is how it looks. It's the moisture retention styling gel with flaxseed and olive oil, and let me tell you, this is the best gel I've tried for a long time. I was riding with, what's that brand? Eco Styler, the olive oil brand, and then I tried the coconut, and I think there was another one that I tried. But for me, my hair dries out really quickly, and for me this has been the one gel that I've used. My hair is not crunchy after, and it just works. It generally just works. I have no complaints about it. So So at this juncture, I'll take it off. Right? So this is what's out there. So I've put the braid into it. So normally I just wrap it around itself. And you can bobby pin it, but I don't do that. So when I put my hair in one, I usually take like a stocking cap. And ideally it should be black, but we'll just cover it up. And I put it over my bun. I protect my hair from the west by doing that. So at this juncture, I am going to gel it up. So I am going to tie my hair down. We are putting on this hair. Now, when I ordered this thing, I didn't realize that this was a way for wefts or hair pieces to come. So we're gonna see what we get done. But it comes with a comb. So I guess that's what helps it to adhere, and then we're gonna just stick it in. And then you have to bring it around there, right? And then my bobby pins. But before I stick it down and bring it around properly, I'm gonna start pinning the hair down. So now we're gonna put it around. So we brought it around, but I am not trusting that security. So we're gonna take another piece from the back. Now we're gonna just comb the hair out just to make sure that it is cleared. And we're gonna have my wrapped hair dry for at least 15 minutes. At least 15 minutes. So I have another 10 minutes or so, because this doesn't take long to adhere. The video is just long because I'm explaining, but I'm gonna give this 15 minutes to dry down. And then when I come back on, the ponytail, the high ponytail will be finished. Cause you know, goodie. So guys, I am back, and I forgot to mention that the edge control that I use is the 24-hour edge tamer by Eben New York. And I don't do baby hairs. First of all, my edges, there's nothing baby about them, and then there's nothing baby about me. I don't have enough edges to do baby hair, so I kind of just slick them back in the way they allow me to. So you can see, I just slick it back, and I do the same for this side, and I just slick it back. I hope you guys can see. And my edges are usually snatched. I do put it in the middle as well. The edges are usually snatched at this juncture. So guys, this is the finished look. I hope you guys like it. Let me know if you want more natural hair videos, because I'm actually liking this look. I don't know how comfortable I feel with walking with my natural hair on YouTube, because I don't think I fit into the natural hair community really. But if you do want videos, then you gotta get the people and what they want. And I will definitely be posting more natural hair videos if that is what you want. So I'll see you in my next video. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more videos like this. Turn on your post notifications as well, else you're gonna miss a video from me. We don't want that to happen. So thank you guys for watching. Bye. Thank you guys so much for watching. And if you're rocking with my content and rocking with this look, remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more videos like this. If you love to see me create any makeup look and speak about any topic, just leave your suggestions in the comment section down below, and I'll be definitely picking those up. And remember, stay beautiful inside and out.